Khasi Department jangka North Eastern Hill University hagajing snok tilang bat Khasi Author Society kalapalong ya gajingkren halumpung kiriu Shempang do Professor Andrew J. May School of Historical and Philosophical Studies Melbourne University Australia haka arpulai terik uluber arjar arpulai hakyang nang ba guest house neho. Kamat Jingkren kadai halor kamat British Imperial Journalism, the Special Roving Correspondent and the Construction of Remote India in 1891 to 92. Yakini kalumpung lapan po penping do wa Paul Lyngdoh, Minister of Arts and Culture kum Kongsan, but Professor R.H. Duncan na Chemistry Department nehu kum sembut Kongsan. Haka Jingkren kum Kongsan uba Paul Lyngdoh ulasot na umulung susatham, ngiem hakiwe pat kisngi ayu nginle namar kari. Kabalami na du usnem kat kendai spa lai pun riu, bat ulapin ken mauru bakitin riu kraw kila sawaru sya Shillong duriau, hadin lai posnem haba u John F. Kennedy, President jangka United States of America, ulakren mardor sya kipat ba. Enai keli ya ke bakari kan le na kabenta jang pi, Henry tu perthau ya lade ba ayu pila ban le na markari. Uba Paul Lyngdoh ulapin kan mauru bakini kilong kimat puson ki baktik habakum ka jaitbynriew amdai ban sin ban ngop dalade lade de kita kilai ki bapintron Henry ban marmlin ban khana kyntiew nam de kilai ki batei haba ukdau artat ya ka khendau ka khtin bat ka kur.
Lines were repeated by John F. Kennedy. Ask not what the country can do for you, ask what can you do for your country. 1964. 1936, there was a Khasi who said, we lived in other times. What will you do for your land? Just rephrasing. Kennedy, I'm very sure he's never heard of Susutham, but Kennedy rephrased Susutham in 1964. I mean, what better compliment can you give Khasi literature than that? You can Welsh anthem, Welsh Connect. Welsh Connect to me, it's so deep that during the World Cup this year, Wales had played in the World Cup, and before every match, they would sing the national anthem. So they were singing the Welsh national anthem, and somebody WhatsApped me. But how is it possible that the Welsh team are singing our Khasi anthem? I couldn't reply to him immediately because it would run into so many words. Most Khasis think that Khasi is our anthem, and therefore the Welsh only copied us. Well, I think I've taken a lot of time, but before winding up, Ashwa Manshong, but I premier snow any England commission. I think the program will be cut now, printed from Chief Guest Shri Paul Lyngdoh. Larang ikun berungi ketir Khasi agak sulit berperang dari India. Stand up backward. Stand up backwards. Shawang Shom. Kum ke department. Bagi department kita apa? Arts and culture, tourism, textiles, kini ni long, interlinked. Ni lapan smoba, dan ni dan kenapa 1841 ni semua ni orang siap min landap aspak nem sa adu akajar sokwe aspak nem op jong kakti jumi aspak nem jong ka written script jumi kakti jumi no ada na du mano na du mimi na kita semai nang mimi adu matangin patia ni jong be lebih orang link joni taka language man kameru man beri ketika kasih ketika man belong hi man willpower belong hi di research scholars ini nang yang pendek kita menjumpai kita di department dan banyak dan persiang lain yang kita terbang yang jawin ya ke long yang ya ke mai ke cumi ke jatuh kisah kan tuan cikgu hai like lagi kia keluar yang baru no pilih tip lebih kita jadi nanti kamu berhati like lagi kia kita mengiklan baik keketian kekendau kekur keketian kekendau kekur sedang dapat orang yang tak boleh kan ai halai kita wasni kenal ke bawah ketir ke kendau ke kur penklaimnya klaim kita ngim dan selamat ni dan ni dai tang ki non yapa yang ketir sih rom yapa karom yapa ya ngin kampen klan ba ni dan ru karong ya ai ndi bang siapan be siapan siu kopi siu hip hop siu kadun yang tu nong roani hip hop kelab yang mendalai nak roai hip hop nak dah kasih kelas biang terus kakak cerong tak di publish pun bangayo bagi kendo ya bi nang lapan je ke tenlut ya baru itu bijan baru tendai ai kan ye kecing hidup pun ni ira tang dia idea of America, the idea of breaking up from the stranglehold of the British came to less than 50 persons. And when they started, they were told that this is not possible, this is not achievable, this is not doable. Today, who can say that the idea of the United States of America is impossible? You know the truth. Let us also dream big, think big, imagine, keep dreaming, keep scaling new heights. Enjoy, kyntiew, top. Shakabalor, halo do, shaki clear room jokana. Thank you so much, Professor May, for indulging me. I would certainly try to stay back for your lecture, but it's a promise that I can't say I will hold, because I might just walk out because of the constraints of time. Not that I'm walking out in protest. I will walk out with your permission. I'm sure you have a lot more that is enriching for us here in the audience. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.